morning to all. Welcome back again our online classes. So students, teacher from Miss Priti from Sanskar the Gurukul International School. Okay. In previous classes we have discussed about lesson 4 Bharatiya Ganna Pranali, and today we are going to start our new lesson 5. The topic is International System of Numeration. The topic is International System of Numeration. What's the difference between Bharatiya Ganna Pranali and International System of Numeration? In Bharatiya Ganna Pranali, what is happening there? In Bharatiya Ganna Pranali, after thousand using lakh, and crore, etc. something. And International System of Numeration, according to the International System of Numeration, after thousand, then what will become? After thousand, million, billion, etc. will become. Okay. In international system numeration also use 0 to 9, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Also used in international system. Okay. In Bharatiya Ganna Pranali and international system, both number are same using this table. But what's the difference? The difference of the place value, the difference of the places in Bharatiya Ganna Pranali and according to the international system. What is the difference between? The difference between according to the place value. Okay. In Bharatiya Ganna Pranali, 1000 after what will come? 1000 after lakh, crore, and international system after 1000, millions, billions, something places are coming there. Okay. So my dear students, see this chart, the chart of International System of Numeration. International System of Numeration का चार्ट है ये पहले क्या है, यहाँ से स्टार्ट किया हमने यूनिट, टेंस, हंड्रेड, थाउजेंड, 10,000, 100,000. Okay, thousand have got three parts: 1,000, 10,000, and 100,000. And also after 1,000, million also have got three parts: million, 10 million, and 1,000 million. Okay, then billion also have a three parts: billion, 10 million, billion, and 100 billions. Now let's see how can arrange this number in this table. First number 5 in our first column. First number 5. In this 5 number, 5 digit, which places is this number? We know that in international system, when we have used after 3 digit, we have put a comma. Okay. In international, we have put after 3 digit, after 3 digit, we have put in comma. Then when we are go to the right side to left side, we are arranging number right side to left side. When we reading this number, then left side go to the right side. Okay. So start 5 number. Which places are there? Which places is this number? 5 units. Okay. We have write in units parts 5. Then tens nothing there, 100 nothing there, 1,000 also nothing there, and dash and dash, because no have any digit of these parts. Okay. Now second digit 294. What's the number of this? 294. We know that when we starting reading the number, unit, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, we go there. Okay. Now how can arrange this number 294? We are starting from unit passes. We write first part unit 4. Then after that 9 we have write in tens part, and last one 2 we have write in 100 part. Okay. So 294. We have read 294. When we are reading this number, we are just starting left side to go to right side. And when we write the number, right side start ending left side. Okay. So in 1,000 places no have any digit. So dash and dash. Nothing have is there. Next number, next digit 3,681. 3,681. So when we started our number, write 1 in 10 unit place, 8 is 10 place, and 6 is 100 places, and 3 is 1000 places. Okay, only 4 digits are here, so we are arranging the part of this number. Okay, so when we are reading this number, we are going to go to the right side. 3,681. Okay, now last number, see one more number. 45321. How can I arrange it? 1 in units number, 2 in tens number, 3 in hundred number, and 5 is thousand number, and last one 4 is 10,000 number. We have write it in the part of 10,000 number. How can we read it? We read 10. Reading 45,321. 45,321. Okay. So my dear student, see last one more example here. One more example given here. 638123. How can I arrange this number in this table? First number is 3. We have write in this part, units part 3. Then second 2, we have write in 10 part, tens part. And 1, we have write in 100 parts. And then after 8, 1000 places. 3, 10,000 places. And last one 6, in 100,000 places. Okay. So, how many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 digits are here. So, how can read this? 6300, 8,123. Okay, 63,000, 6,300, 8,000, 6,300, 8,123. Okay. So this table is the part of the International System of Numeration. ओके, ये इंटरनेशनल सिस्टम का चार्ट है जो आपको मैंने यहाँ पे दिखाया है. ठीक है, यहाँ पे फर्स्ट पार्ट है यूनिट, देन आफ्टर टेंस, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, देन आफ्टर उसके बाद 10,000 के बाद क्या आएगा? 10,000 मिलियन, 10 मिलियन, 1000 मिलियन. ओके, व्हेन यू रीड एंड राइट दिस टेबल, you have write and read हिंदी एंड इंग्लिश बोथ लैंग्वेजेस. ओके, दोनों लैंग्वेज में आपको क्या करना है? इस नंबर, ये जो आप नंबर सेट करते हो, इस नंबर को आपको दोनों लैंग्वेज में पढ़ना है और याद करना है. ठीक है, आई एक्सप्लेन यू इन योर बुक्स. सो ब्रिंग योर बुक एंड सी चैप्टर लेसन 5 इन योर बुक. One more chart are given there. So let us see what is this and how can read it. Okay. So my dear student, open your book and see chapter 5, page number 32. This chart is the information given by International System of Numeration. In International System of Numeration, see in this chart how many parts are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 parts are there. Okay. So first parts we see, this is a called of unit. This is unit. In units have 3 parts. In units have 3 parts, 1, 2, 3, including units 10 and 100. Unit we have 3 parts, unit, tens and 100. In units, how many digit? 1, only 1 digit. And tens, how many digit? 10 digit. Okay. Now after that 100, increasing 10 number, so total number of 100 we have called 100. Okay. Now after next part 1000 parts. In 1000 part have also 3 digit, also 3 parts. In 1000 column also have 3 parts, 1000, 10,000 and 100,000. Okay. In 10,000 have 10 number increasing here. So how many digit are here? 4 digit. 1 after that 3 digit. Okay. and sorry, 1 after that 0 3 digit, and then 10,000, see 10 to the power 4 means total 5 digit are here. Okay, 5 digit, how can say I am 5 digit here? 0 have a 4 digit and 1 plus 1 equal to 5 digit, total 5 digit are here. Okay, then 100,000, then after that 100,000, 100 also have a 0 5 digit are here. Okay, now see next part. In next column have a 3 parts: million, 10 million and 100 million. Okay, now next billion have also a 3 parts: billion, 10 billion and 100 billion. Trillion also have a 3 parts: trillion, 10 trillion, trillions and 100 trillions. Quadrillions also have a 3 parts: quadrillions, 10 quadrillions and 100 quadrillions. Similar according this chart, first part according to this given here. Okay, quintillions have also have a 3 parts: quintillions, 10 quintillions and 100 quintillions. Okay, see is a period. How many periods are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, total 7 periods. And how this is a called of places and this is a called of place value. Okay, 3 parts are here: first period, second places and third place value. In international system have after every 3 places period change. Okay, after 3 places period will be changed, and Indian system after every 2 places period was changed. Okay, in international system after 3 digit we have put in comma the period, because the period will be changing after there. So my dear student, see in next page number 31, just let us read some numbers. How can read some numbers? How can arrange the numbers? Let us see how can read. 2 columns are there: first number and then number name. 82. How can read this number in English? 82, EIGHTY, 82. And this is a called of number name. Okay, this is a called of number name, and this is a number. 706, 706, 929, 929, and 4610, 4610. See, after 3 digits we have put in comma. Okay, and 8020, 8020, 17,222, 17,222. Okay, dear student, please repeat after me. 56,904, 56,904, and 620,411. Okay, now next 7,431,876, 876, 7,431,876. Okay, now next 28,02,485. Okay, 28,02,485. Now last one, 140 million, 140 million, 316,000, 316,000 and 623, 623. See, 114 million 360,000 623. Okay, are you understand how can read and how can write in this, when after which places we have put in comma in international system? Are you understand very well or not? So my dear student, in this table, when you read in this table, you all are observe it or not? After 3 digit we have put in comma, because after 3 digit period will be changes, so after 3 digit we have put in comma. Okay, Okay, see how many parts and how many periods are there. In thousand have a three periods, thousand, 10,000, 100,000. Million have a three periods, million, 10,000, 10 million, 100 million. Billion, 10 billion, 100 billion. Trillion, 10 trillion and 100 trillion. Quadrillion and 10 quadrillion and 100 quadrillion. Okay. So my dear student, I hope you all are understand very well the lesson 5 international system. I think you all are understand. So my student, I will request you to all, please read this chapter and make your chart in your copy, in your notes copy, and do homework, written homework, all the question of given the written homework. Just to complete your notes in your notes copy. Okay, so bye bye and take care of yourself.